Hi, I'm Evan Stover with Steller Innovations, and we're here today to talk about the difference between conventional hardwood floors and the Steller assembly system. So what I have here beside me is a piece of conventional, what they call tongue and groove flooring. The reason they call it tongue and groove is because the board has been milled or cut so that it has a protrusion on one side, a tongue, and an indent on the other side, a groove. During installation, the groove indexes with the tongue of a previous board. Once aligned, nails are driven through the tongue every 6 inches. Now, moving on to the Steller assembly system, what we have the same 3/4 inch hardwood floor that we had in the conventional floor, the tongue and groove floor. However, what we've done differently is each side of our board has the same profile or shape on it. You'll have an alignment groove running down the side, and then there is this inward angled groove running on the bottom. This profile matches with an extruded assembly clip that mates into the side of that board and snaps tightly to the board. Once the clip is attached, align the new board. Affix the overlapping section of clip, then press or tap the board into place. It is important to counter the installation force by placing weight on the adjacent board that has already been installed. As you can see, once you get the hang of it, installation is fast and easy. With the Steller assembly system, boards can be easily removed for any reason. Once you are ready to reinstall a board, simply realign it and snap it into place. Our unique assembly system means that the only tools you'll need to manage a Steller hardwood floor can be easily found at your local hardware store. You'll need a non-marking dead blow mallet for installation, and an industrial suction cup to remove damaged or unwanted boards. I'd like to thank you for joining us for this video today, and please join us again for other videos covering hardwood floors and the Steller assembly system.